Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques. We're going to show you this Orient design serving plate. I feel this is a cake plate or serving plate because there's no central well on this. It's just got a slightly curved rim edge that comes up from quite a flat central base. It's let me just put a tape measure on this. I think it's 8 3/4 inches. Let's just confirm that. Yeah, 8.75 inch diameter. So just right for a small cake or sandwich plate. Orient was a design that was produced for a relatively short period of time by Wood & Sons, and this one's in fine condition. Can you see that glaze reflection on there? There's a couple of little knife marks on it. But by and large, the front surface of this cake plate is absolutely beautiful. And what a nice pattern Orient is, with the cherry blossom, pagodas, stalks and setting sun in the background. And then lifted by this lovely floral block work or hatching all around the quite wide rims here, with inserts of cherry blossom and fruit again around the outside. The mark on this is H&G Limited Marks, which was a London retailer that Woods would manufacture for, and the mark on this has let me get that in focus if I can, W842 something. Now it's not fully impressed, so you can't make out the last digit on the date mark, but that looks like April 1920 something, and the W8 we don't know the significance of. That's probably the production line or factory run. There is on the base of this plate, it's had some impact at some stage. Can you just see this, where you've got a star line coming through the glaze that then dissipates outwards? It's not gone through the earthenware china, it's just a glaze impact and slight crack on it. You may get some staining on that over the next 20 or 30 years, but it's not gone through the china to damage it, and the actual flat surface on the display side of the plate is in absolutely fine condition, so it's not an uncommon finding. Sure, if you go through your china collection, you will discover some with these type of impact damages on them, but that's stable. It's not going to expand, it's not going to get worse, but it is a feature that we want to draw to your attention before you purchase this cake plate. And obviously that damage will be reflected in the asking price. From the front, absolutely perfect, lovely bright glaze, very rare piece to find. Collectors of woods looking for Orient have to search long and hard to find pieces in good condition, to be fair, because as I said, it was made for a relatively short period of time in China contexts, and Woods didn't produce a huge volume of it because it was being produced alongside Alva and Yuan and a few other designs, and Yuan was the one that really took off and was made in big quantities. So if you're looking for pieces of Yuan, advice-wise, it's a much easier pattern to actually collect because you can find pieces much more readily available and in a wider marketplace than, say, Orient, which is a harder one to collect. All the information, details, exact measurements and everything will be on the website listing, and we'll pop a link in the description below taking you through to the website link, description and sale listing for this plate online. Thanks for watching.